Cold shower panic? Meet endless hot water instantly. A sleek, wall-mounted heater replaces bulky, old tanks. Tiny footprint, huge performance, hidden in plain sight. Watch it. Ignite on demand, only when needed. No storage tank, no waiting, no wasted energy. Rheem RTG delivers 7 gallons every minute. That means 2 to 3 showers running together. Powerful. 160,000 BTUs handle busy household mornings. Natural gas efficiency keeps comfort flowing nonstop, and your utility bills stay refreshingly low. Up to 34% savings versus old electric tanks. 0.82. UEF means smart performance. Day after day. Indoor installation fits neatly into utility spaces. Direct venting helps keep operation clean and reliable. Need space back? Mount it and breathe easier. Perfect for large families and multi-bathroom homes. Great for homeowners replacing aging water heaters. Plumbers and contractors love the streamlined install. The digital LED panel makes setup simple. Fine-tune temperature with precision to 1 degree. Consistent hot water, exactly how you like it. Built-in freeze protection guards cold weather performance. Flame failure protection adds another safety layer. A multi-point safety system supports peace of mind. CSA certification reinforces dependable residential confidence. Leak Guard detects internal leaks before bigger damage starts. Small leak or large leak, protection responds fast. Innovation meets practicality in one compact design. Modern styling looks sharp in garages and utility rooms. Quiet confidence, strong output, everyday convenience. It's built for demanding homes that never slow down. Hot water for showers, sinks, and daily routines. No more timing showers around tank recovery cycles. No more running out mid-shampoo or mid-dish. Just steady, continuous heat whenever life needs it. Engineered for homeowners who value comfort and efficiency. Engineered for contractors who value reliability and performance. Engineered for properties needing space-saving heating solutions. The Rheem RTG Series works hard behind the scenes, so your household enjoys hot water without compromise. Upgrade your home with endless hot water today. Choose Rheem for efficient comfort, smart safety, and power. Replace the old tank. Reclaim your space. Experience on-demand heating that keeps up with you. Rheem RTG Series Hot Water. Elevated.